We're in the heart of Barcelona, in the St. Anthony area, on a street connecting the University Square and the St. Anthony Market. Very, very central walking distance to all nice parts of the city center.
Look how at this amazing, spacious living room and open kitchen area. This bay window with stained glass, handmade from about 100 years ago. This place is absolutely perfect for social gatherings, cooking, foodies, wine lovers, kitchen with SMEG appliances, top of the top. The large table there in the living room is air conditioning, there's heating. The bar, look at the bar. You can see that it's from two sides. There's two wine fridges underneath, and this is the entrance hall. You see the beautiful old mosaic floors, storage area there. There's a washing machine, there's a dryer there. One bedroom here with a private patio. I think we're going to see it now. There you go, private patio. Very quiet on the inside interior of the building. Closets in the bedroom. There is two bathrooms. You're going to see them now. We go back to the main entrance hall. There's a sleeping sofa. This is like a library area, as we call it here in Barcelona. It's very spacious. Different floors again, from about 100 years old, handmade. There's a toilet here. There's another bathroom. We're going to see the toilet first. So perfect for guests. Beautifully designed as well. Some LED lights in there. Bathroom. That's a small bathroom, let's say, the small one. Shower, fully equipped, super designed door handles as well. This is the master bedroom here. Very spacious, beautiful design. Sliding door to the bathroom, it's very convenient. A lot of light coming in as well in the bathroom, but if you want to sleep, you just close these sliding doors and it's dark. You see here as well, very spacious, very modern. There is ducted air conditioning and heating in the apartment. Nice. We go back to the entrance, library area now, and to the most beautiful part of the apartment. Bright, look at how much light is coming in here. You see the reflection of the stained glass on the walls there. This apartment comes as it is, fully furnished, fully decorated. Very easy to buy, to move in. Turnkey. So what other features to be aware of here? We are on the principal floor. Principal floor means that were historically the floors that were where the most wealthy people were living. They have higher ceilings, nicer decorated ceilings.